the man said that yes ne uyobia what trans amount to us in tina chichwa edi ramu sisi no search you bibi no ahwentu anoma da bi no na chese onso no obaba bebu ne no ena ne brofo no siatica na siatica onkomo de bia ba kope ne ebe na ye timi aboa ma na ma de di pe timi da ma bia no 21st clinic ti ramu ne hwe na ye timi soso ano na hyehyɛ ne da ye pa entimi emfa ma na adwuma pa de omo ebobieza nso omo hyehyɛ no ne nneɛma edigu na kwam ne ndro na ye de ma no emo ahode na bibia adadi nso etimi era ma na munche mu no omo abomode a pe tutuye no enye no nko a yesi ne no sa pomde no enwie pe fruity so eba never be su na ase ena afi so kra ne man hyela hyehyɛ ye entimi emfa emma se ne stroke and diabetes na edu nya ne na be na ya boa na tutuye na koyi pa era amomaso no ko a omo laboratory on scan services no omo ye Friday bia ma kase after work no ramuna yamwa na yenye hyehyɛ ni ye ma na massage no so no enramu kama pa so ntimi emfa emma more than 15 branches Ghana bibia omo ebo ejuma kumase orwani chema overseas junction oben afraid obo ase council court score junction bi nyomo akra dome market ena sunyane enen kranzani techima bibia omo bo ejuma number ni 0249 311 0249 311 0540 311 0540 311 drinks ni emienu eno ne abobo bia na me ahoden sonkone aba nyaba be jamu ahwe ye juma ne kama pa bako eye mixer 5G ahabamba ni ndiaba ene aka boma ye dia ye obo abe fili brutal na afesu uzampa ehye pa pebre na esiesi ni pedua no Ghana won be grapes wo mi na afe no ginseng and how do wani chema green tea so mu bia eboa na nyasiesi ni pedua na cafe bia eni mia no nko a omo na asa bo modde de miso fruit drinks na ba drinker emu api organic fruit so oba uzampa esiesi oye party ne eye na ba nyabedi nto and aba de dodo na ba be hiem no mixer 5G miso fruit drinks na wa bomodi aka bo na aboa na hyehyɛ na koyi so etimi era ma 0246 270221 0246 270221 0558 106348 0558 106348 niambwa na ni amande da DM farmer manager Daniel 21st connect oro ani chemu era overseas na chese name nebwa ma hyehyɛ ne koyi pa etimi edi emana afiso no mama Esther oro ani chemu Outcome Royal Ventures Watra Baptist University Boakwa Omubo Ejuma PNC Ventures Anamanji Taxi Station Osi Charity Hospital Junction Obenyomo and Anasachi Enterprise no Orwani Chuma Safwa Bincha Osi VIP car park no Obonzo mo Juma so mo born in Yamodi Romo no Edi da ye kama pa etimi Eriman and Tetem so ma men considermuna mindidi din komakra and Shashan di Dana Kwame di Kanke said the Black Stars of Ghana Ebe Ramo US in Patemo na akwa kobayan kufa kensi mienu a dedi kan betodwa on October 14th orwani chemu America Stadium no ewo Charlotte hona ne yekona ye ne Mexico man no etimiere akwa kobo ani after no na Nashville orwani chemu so a on the 17th no eno so ye na so na US man no etimiere abuani ewie ya pen perfect Chrisuti na bomoden anemu ne squad na eni mranti e baba be jamu abu ejuma amane ma deda dadi no etimiere de o mabadi mo na mo mame Ghana ye squad no na yerera mu kakra o cheki se ne mesiti a ene 100 dede ayu era face no ebi etise Jonathan Sowa Abdul Baba Rahman obeke a yen last a year bo mode etimi enya omo baba be ram no ene se den hyehyɛ ne esi ete ne niam no se de esi ekɔ no na chese sa mrantia no entimi ameki squad no etie no ye de ram a ni nyina ebo ama ne ma deda ye pa etimi ede mo ede ho nkomo no enso edan wona hyehyɛ no so no etimi ada ye so etimi ede amount no eno ye di erama ye na ya bo modina ye timi akwa di mehena metimi erama di nkoma akran yisam ze nei Tarik Lamte abo ejuma edema Brighton Nova Bion okoye no wase ababa be ramo ena Thomas Tai party na chesore sere ne City a ono so no ne jamu abo ejuma edema ya se vice captain ono so no ababa be ramo baba bo amanema adayera mentu join ye senete Lawrence Atizigi Abdulmanaf Nuruddin ena Richard Ofoyo mo na goalkeepers a Omudino Etimiaramo Obabre defenders na your Tarek Lamte Ali Dusedu Joseph Edu Nicholas Opoku Alexander Jiku Daniel Amate na Abdul Fattah Hamid Gideon Mensah enti omonso neye nenu defenders a Eramu ye midfielders na wingers no Osman Bukari Joseph Fensel Thomas Partey ene wo Edmond Ado Abdul Saleh Samed Elisha Owusu attackers no Ransford Yeboah Konisdorfer Mohamed Kudus Jordan Ayew Ernest Enuama Inyaki Williams Erafe Antoine Semenyo enti omo na neno peimpana tonsa from so omba emma me Germany Ghana ejuma na ye bono omoma me boana hyehyende da dimpa etimi amfament no enkoma baba be ramani na no yeri tudwa etimi edi ama na ye ramusa no yendidi di nkomo chena na yere zere Ghana Football Association elections no ebetimi abaso do wani chimo tamale na udidi di mu nkomo na hwesere nema esiatia Henry Asante Chumo ye kasamafo edema the Ghana Football Association ni didi nkomo edebizanzo in election no sana nhyehyɛ no esiatia ochena say no obomode a ode ne nkomo ni jai
there are other competitive kind of slots among for ever fighting for. Say omo I was here to almost for Premier League, you know. I ever told me nipa in represented Premier League. And now I was here to almost for Division 1 league so. I ever told almost nipa miansa to represent the Division 1 league. Na me abuma ochina Ifie Busumi de Tosunsiano, all the 10 regional football associations so ebe almost omo Congress. Now almost elected various chairmen for their Congress. Nafi we are now almost also RFS no 2 representatives are ebe representing almost also at Omoba normally 2 representatives are representing Sabia Menoka se Ubehra Rura Salifuzida and Lemfoda Samoa Bodu. And I represented 10 RFs on the executive council. After Etna, we now told we normally elect your chairman. They were saying take a decision on who goes to represent the 10 regional football associations on the ESCO. In terms of
Tiano ye command area Asante Chuma bomode timera to jani nebwa man ya madida ni afternoon ye bizanze ni hunse ni na FIFA mpin for no former Nigerian Football Federation president ye friend Melvin Amaju Pinnick eba bi ramu ewa no mani na orhabo man tutu ne timi akwe na munkomo no ene sere nhyehyɛ ni tie nya ntie zo panyin na sign ko na senisi ete
Eba be kwemu ebe share the way I nyama yatoto no for the Congress. Into no will not be in Tamale as we speak. Babuna ketem esan in the Nigeria. FIFA Suman is our membership. They are and to yatoto. As you say, they go kwemu nafi omo mamane. And then thereafter omo delegation ebe free Zurich and FIFA say abano now a brief you on what has transpired so far. In Sabra Mino Kasede, former Nigeria president, executive council member for FIFA, Amaju Pinnick in Ghana. But the other delegation of FIFA, Small Omo, Gelson Fernandez, any Omo Moka Honipa Pe, and Enuma Omoka Nihunia, Omo Bewa Tamale. We are not to Jaya, one for so any Omo delegation by a show when a calf delegation airbus so. Ye show when you minty. I'm saying Pinnick there, Jumedi, a Fronco, and obedi just for 2 days. We, or the money about Akoma FIFA. No so, other than any Asandia Nigeria. Pinnick, Eba,
Tiano ye command your pimpana bomode timera to yeboa man ya madida dineno na ro ani chema Team George and edio kasa de bom ni a chekon frimpon na chekon so didi din command say omo bomode an nyanshen letter omo saka ye no omo 7 pin for dodo na bi ni ade ade nti omo ne de omo aso ye no omo gidi say aba no say beba so de omo ni gidi say beba so say no bomode ade ni chemu no etimi atudwa
council for Mr. Josefi no key ideas of thousand mobile the application for interlocutory junction ekoto the elections are not Ghana SFO na bu mutim ko so and okay na second junction no your lawyers no at this mark code bill is man dey ko efe na kachi I have video evidence I call that be able to about it. And me, Ghana Branch, your son electronic service over here. You can several the executive council members and officially all the officials of the Ghana Football Association are moving here for moving notice of the injunction or their mom. They're talking to Ghana Police Service and also their several for notice of the application of injunction. They're talking to the Electoral Commission and for several and the talking to hotel but the Ghana Football Association why you might be say Ombe Congress and also your several notice of the injunction. Say okay, almost meeting after the file of the laws of Ghana. There is a mob court no enmity. Into the you go through the process, you didn't notice number Obi and who be here problem opening Sabeka the notice of injunction.
Atiako na yendidi di nkoma akra from Tamale me chairman say Mubarak aba omano so na me no eni nkoma no yesere Tamale city oban na ombo moko de
well Abu Dhabi ya nyame asibibi abako
Dezi Tamale so te sen ye hweze nyambo ochina ze niam de dadin agana ye kɔne akwa akoto aba asan apampoinfo a omo ba na mfie na ye football no omo aba beboy sen city empemfo no bi aba omo aba dodo se na aba na program no pen hihye no ochina nyambo ebi nya aba so
inshallah ekosu nyina enra ne ene nyina my that conviction say nyame ya domina say natural disaster bia okay echina dia elections no ya dia betimi abaso I must admit that for be na aba bedu ha metimi a confirm say about 95% of the delegates and candidates are almost almost to aba no aba bedu ha I so mo maka no kakra na aka no yambo enwumrei and close of today ne dia almost so ebeba be ka ye omaka no ho na yambo e china ye de bibia ahihye so about oko Global Dreams Hotel the grounds for the elections now. Of course, auditorium, mana conference hall, elections no be taking place in the BBA and share ISF in the two, of course, to create ballot boxes and places for election. No, the Diano at the Oma the BBS issue. Abu Dhabi made me say everything is set for tomorrow's election.
Ati periana okana ye easy for nkomo na etete yeze na edinze omo beba na injunction won ade ade na omo baba be fix omo bibibi ochina no jadam yeko.
Well, for sure, I think the Ghana Football Association with its personalities and even lawyers are more akukudam or more knowing that going according to rules and regulations governing football any injunction near the ade no of course, Omujina Bibi Suntina the elections no Basono. I am quite sure that the FA believe that they have not wronged in any aspect of your loss now. Say Omuntimi any elections no Nyambwa Echina. And you know it will surprise me, Ebia elections officials. I Sombeke Mabibia Ekosi no. Ebeka say for the reasons be that Ebia Mati say injunction be ewo. And you know, for that matter, Omuntimi Meshisha Nema Ewo Hanum Ebe because what the FA has put on board and the preparations on the ground so no bibia elections in the Nyami Aduma China Ebebaso.
Now say bo amekakra yenimze about football na wo mu bia ene you know oye jumede ma Karela United Bobo Koro minim aza no pa na edidi nkomo ma clubs ni bi ni complain ze omunya invitation bi e cheze china no e wo so omo ba no mba beto aba na jumadi na ekoso no mo so no ba betechi minim de mokọ e matiti nkomo bi sa na ahwem so a teams no dodo na report in premier teams no division 1 for no anyway omo so aba be romo tamale o chino mo reze jumadi ni sha so mba ba beto omo ba na bibia akokama.
Well, Abu, like I said earlier on, football people are delegates, any candidates are Obia Ebo Penias Obetimi Ajibre na Omabuama Ghana football account for that's a 2.0. 95% of them are in town at this particular moment. Like I said, yeah, chance Omo Makano everybody do. So far, Yenya complain there because since morning I have been at the Global Dreams Hotel. Delegates in Ghana Football Association, a house omo. Minyenya complaint we are from any club, sir, for the fact that they have not received invitation. Tino. In fact, there were also reports that they be moved by Krampuna and I got a bit worried about those kind of reports because I have been at the reception all morning today, you know, to ensure and also see how the delegates are actually given accommodation. And menyenhu team bia aba around a complain say for one or two reasons bintu no omunyenya baby emfa omuti ento ye. I can also tell you that about Premier Division 1 and omo a eso mohwe ma bibia ekoso ye na in fact obia ready. Have spotted a few of the candidates themselves, and as for the delegates in India, like I said, 95% of them are here. And to know Abu and I can show you Omo invitation probably may be from Omo demonstration for one or two reasons. May do Tamaleha. But I think that it is clear that every club should be represented here in Tamale for the elections tomorrow.
Now, demonstration ya omo ye won kran ya FP for ababe di Tamale na omo tize bibi cause wo mechi won kran na.
Well, I know it was a bit funny because videos they wanted to see if they can spot some of the football people amongst the demonstrators. But unfortunately now it is just a demonstration by people who are not paying any making any effort to develop football in Ghana. The FA doesn't really are not perturbed. I say inform about the demonstration going on. Omufi said this is just one of the platforms that omo mumpe FA na sem no epeso mu yusu senebeya ebe brand FA no very bad. And to uba no beya this morning, in fact, during the time they were taking their breakfast, that was the time the videos actually started popping up. And it was funny, most of them who had access to the video. They were thinking that they could see the organizers themselves because they know that it is under the stewardship of Mr. George Free and then the camp na Omoyesa. But unfortunately, they didn't see any of them in the videos. And so they feel like, oh, this is just the normal demonstrations. In politics, it happens. And you know, they are not perturbed about that. They are thinking about tomorrow's election.
Say me jamu ako na minim so ochina de adwuma no wa na be ni na bara enyane dia ze na ka fun pain for wa fun pain for na FIFA delegate mu be ba ochina no omo ba no omo so na babere se de adwuma de ni bisi ako minim aza na yenya zanko fun bi omo so ababere mo Tamale.
Well, I have not spotted any FIFA official. Yes, I'm quite aware that the Federation of FIFA no the representative Beba Wafu, like you said, that today is Wednesday, tomorrow is the election, and I still have the belief that if these officials are coming out, especially by close of today, you beat me ask for more around. But as of the morning up to this time, there, many sporty any official from FIFA, CAF, or even Wafu at the grounds.
What is it? Medas into the Mamijana, Koso Abuijmana, Yereka Sechi, Medas a Pachama.
Yes, Medas.
No ye yenya se mobile kini ye kokura mo Tamale ye report to jamwa nyambo china about one ekoso oba babe bo amanema dadi na election on komo no said di quantity as the injunction atoso ne ade na Henry Asante Chum o ka say the Ghana Football Association is open komo no de altini o eze mo ya so de akwa akoto aba na so ya seven mo krata za aba no mo to enyi na se na wi ano anu yesi no obo mo de ma.
I can't speak to what I haven't seen to me. I know they're into okay.
Tiano ya no yeti apa no bomo de rama o chese ontimi carry F5 we za ze de na ni hu ye no ontimi enko ka ho asem tie no enkomo abomo de aba betuja na great tampon ezwe bojobla ni ole azaftenal pania na zaftenal pania kra ni ole Nicholas omani champion aha era o makabu para demonstration chichirichi na ampon na nkasa chichi se wuze dienti era ampon ye football for enye bo so bonyom ne ade ala de na aba ama ni mumu da za de na di se ro bomo de di chimu ne mai
mo ne music na eko se wo hwe eya boy about Champions League na that was footballers no o free bass no be from pe obia ya set e shena so a wo tie nim we say any football at the back. Besides, my boss nukuta nyame talent me. I only say Baku in a minute boy at the me leisure time be a ball. Na now over ya tra Ghana you need but ya she ball. The need the football ti akọ stadium she ball ahodo bebre na sa administration we ko video pani. Eta say kotoko players Messi nim kura dia dia na wo ye journalist ntina but first so no tinamuni kura nim kotoko ani has players nyina 11 players nyina obi adu at enna me no ka say ye nim kotoko bobo ka wini oda se ni aba betena ayi e friend say GFA abedi president ye nyoma nyina ko form under 17 ye kwani awe under 20 ni akwani awe under 23 ye kwani awe Matthews Blaster kesa se no Ghana appointee and Nigeria appointee kura ya match apempa Ghana appointee be don say
my people la buzem de o na me akomia e kroma ka say this one trauma rehuku
kroma pa de say uliska kura lo views be say the data we worry where there is o data so awuti so for Facebook abete
we live jipa
we live jero asre ma ko bia
razo na me na mwana me ko mama Gladys dala na nyom no ma update dia
no sa ko bi mama Gladys ka ho someone who say bayi ba ko placards no ba ko na kete ko bra so akawa ba Gladys should do be there. Let's say good. I said we did accept na me catch you to this.
Baba na ya rewura we ni ma me na me bobo so ana yenye na yemra mama meto aso na mbo na jumadi no enko kama pass. There be kwemfa ma be ba clinic ma me be ejuma ma me ne bona no edi nyame nam no so abidru nkutu obo modern di asa nkofo ya abo ama ne omanyoma ya isa see ne tie oye be ma wade ni so a opeso transition ye ejuma from Waisa to Beam Nation eni no ushia kufu adomu wechi o na bi so mo a o me catch us adana nkete na ompe bola tino also he na akwa na ye boa mane madadi pa na wie oye be ma na jeze wade no muedu eso by white re eye ya nyame ahia pa di za pepe ni sietie postrate no na unyi no enhyira nko ya ni na ma me be low spend count obomode so ano na guno no obe na wa share se timira ma we oba ma infio no bebi nchichi enye denya akono e ba ne sa asundua be fie ni nyina ma me no ebomode timia ya ototo ya eboa ba bigi bishop bishop ne mabua ko bia ya o mani nji hu the one be concentrate na me nyamodwe so di make me to me ka akufa du ni ba so to work mi gulu as udi wa so ko bia to ado yesa ba me nyamodwe ana bizarre na ya to da disturb me sa enti ko na ma me ne mbo ala neman koyi kaba pa TBF fa la bibia so no edida TBF fa dire oyo oba we boa na wa season na twa ya ba ko a agunkofu ni ma se pa na okoni pama ene yi ne ho na ma me ne be la wa boa la hyehera da yi kama so no etimi edi amana physical say on sensem no ohwe boa ma ne ma da yi permantiko na mbo atano so apatrapa new site or obena apatrapa janche sikese test or scan test no ye number ni 0243 345392 0243 na 0506 460208 0506 460208 nomba na nema de ye pe fa nema Sompa sika promotion on etera media de aba babazi akwenya de mo bibia sebe na etimi asesa abrabo ni na ze we no uyi ni low na wahye ne high na utwa ubedi unya twa nko ade a ubedi unya twa ubedi na simple pa Sompa sika eno ni die da so ni na ze ne ye bana o de 5 Ghana cedi aba benya be se 20,000 Ghana cedi se simple kra emre no so a ye be ma code na code ni obeda star 256 star free hash star 256 star free hash okwa obonze stations no your Sompa FM Sompa TV 93.1 eni ekumasi ane your Sompa Sunyan 98.9 ene your Sompa Nkranza 90.7 atara 1 edi odi ane ze de ma obo modern a ticket no utweri gum no na che so also stand chance ne so obo modern enyi sika bebre edi etwi draw no live mo bia hu sampa hane nam se ni se ne tie na bwana hyehye no adeda yeso etimira ma National Lottery Authority agera tumtino all qualify so beba na waba be che wadwe na aboa na ne ma adeda di impre etimira ma quick one member obobo so ansa na makọ na me na be yafo no ato aso etimi edi nkomo ne bet power Ghana Premier League ma day 4 enhyehye mpimfo yi ne ye cheze match so no nyambo a Friday ene be Chelsea na Chelsea dia na najima medu na park in room number 1 park Friday local debut diana ene Chelsea bobuko no ene dia bo ni referee friend Andrew Urisa na kwa jamu etimi abojuma Saturday be Chem United ne media madua no ene be jamu na Sunday matches e be ram no Nations FC ball Legon City Adari Abdul Latif ene kwa jamu Karela Ebo Great Olympics Dr. Imoro Usman ene jamu na Hartford Bo Dreams FC and also Franklin Ekumante ene be jamu Bibiani Gold Stars Ebo Real Tamale United Maswa Hansen ebe ko akwa da game no na nsuateman enso ene Samates no for Stabasios ene be jamu Lions Ebo Bofo Akwata no Charles Bulu ne be jamu na Fejoda Accra Lions so no ejomo na so no mo tima ye from Kotoko di Abueni a Mohamed Misbao ene refia ya appoint no so ko akwa janu abo ama hihye na da dts apepe edesi atia munkomo no ye bo modena yetimi edi romu so no etimi edi amana yambo ochena se de ekoko di nkomo no ye se niama de dadia elections no betimi akoso otamale se de say confirm the men mpinfo awdo na na ne oma baba be rama ye bo ama ne etimi adeda dadi mpa na de ayeye no na jeze eye executive council we na ye hwe ne awuram na abana koso izanze presidential ne de okwa onze KTS okraku opimpa no nko a ene bomode ekọ ne kokura mu ena afi so no eba na executive council na mana so ye no eno so gifty owari mensa ono nko a ne bomode timi ewura mu na division 1 no omo slot no eno so hwema yo makado ene yo Samuel Elimado Eugene Noble ene yo Gideon Fosu na Alexander Nana Abibiu eti omo na mpinfo a na division 1 no omo ewuram ni ahwe na yaye ntutue ni ye na aboa na ne ma deda dimpa eti no na yesi na ehwim ni ayi miensa na omo akwa gina mo division 1 na nemu wo esco no na aboa ma ne ma deda dimpa ria mo entuba executive council no Premier League na no so no ewuram ni ayi nipa no mako enum na senete ye Kingsley Osei Bonsu Dorona Fen Loziko eni opimpa no ne din no ewramu ene wo Nana Safu Odro Sibosu ene Nana Safu Odro na jazopimpa no so no ewramu ye wo Frederick Echampon ono so no ya ade a wetimi epie mu ndi zampemfo ya ene American abo mu din no mo wo so dada ano mo reso mbesa ato akoso abo ejuma na aboa amane makoye pa na Anthony Kwesi Obin na Dr. Tony Obin no eni ono so ewo so dada orese beto abama no na wasen ramu na afio Randy Abi opimpa no so ewo so dada ono so hwe na ne ma deda dimpa ene ewo onyina asenso ono so afi no orese oba ba be ramu ni ato aba eyi no na waba be boa ma totoe na da dimpa etimiera ma na Edmond Kwabna Aka afi no ono so rese beto abama ono so aba be ramu James Akwesi Apia, former coach and man the Black Stars of Ghana Lee. Palos Remo Bana Wababe Amantuano and Sweetimi Adadina Eloya Mandi. And also a pimpa ni Dino Nitimi Erema or Rena Wabwa Nantuana Dadimpa. And a Rafael Teria Jamra, Rav Jamra, and Sudini Eremo, more name pin for a honor. Yerena Yabo Modinia Yumunuma. Ombe baba bi rona abo amane ma dadi emeze arefini de ochana na ebe boss because omo de na Friday eni bi rona abo na hihye na etimi adaye kama pa so etimi aramenti mo me Asante Twumo no nei elections no hihye ya efedi de gu na kwama omo hwese be boana na ma dadi
President, any executive council representative for women's football, no Sinchaya. There are other competitive slots among for ever fighting for. Senior I say, Omo, I was here to for Premier League, you know. I ever told me nipa in represented Premier League. And now I was here to Musaba for Division 1 league, so ever told Musaba near nipa miansa to represent the Division 1 league. Namia Gumwa, a year or China. Ifie busumi de to sunsiano all the 10 regional football associations so ebeye omo congress now omo mo elect omo various chairmen for their congress nafi area na omo so RFS no 2 representatives are ebe representing omo so ato omo ba no mo 2 representatives are ombe representing sabe ameno kase obehwa Ora Salifu Zida and Lemfoda Samuel Bodu and representing 10 RFs on the executive council. After Etna, who now told me no more elect or chairman, they were saying take a decision on who goes to represent the 10 regional football associations on the ESCO. In terms of Shishaya and Benin for Diego Aquamuna, Media Board.
Ati za prepare and community agomya ma me chance also minim ne de na election ba minim say Black Stars on over here there's a Baba Rama mo Ndidi da you mo na Jonathan Soa your last squad na buy and omo place and then omo fimu na ma say Tariq Lamptey Thomas Tai party and he say once again Fata Wamidu na mati o ma say Baba be Rama
it Tariq Lamptey
yeah
amati Thomas Tai party t
the way it's super we lutaking hunto da is a unipa miensa
where am I oba could be a position ya abeto
oh hunto da is a unipa miensa bi
be be catch
no there be di wa
rami da my glad is quite there check
come here
number 1
glad is there obonyum
na Luther obonyum
we are your job
to 30 seconds
my glad is there obonyum
Luther there's all there oh ye biare mambisa yes Abu last week I catch was a demonstration of moko yi enko baby omu ha omu kwa because omu ye involved ankasa in the running of Ghana football omu na nko mu di animu anasa nke hu se bia division 1 clubs and division 2 clubs in penny for and Ghana Premier League teams ni be penny for demo then they will be worried but in as much as mono munye ekofo a mo discussion football man ase woni club bi ana ase ekoto aba uni se wo mu de obeka bi ene
ita pa asem na oken want ana o se football de na nwom na ekọ go players ni sifi batma ya no mo de ese bi ahwehwe ma so no mu ti nwom
ya nwom to for the three bi ase nkwa yo mu de pa
what dey
me de mo keke ni sa mo de you see sometimes you can fight for what you want say the be be a positive impact but anya nyoma bia na wo se o ma ho kwan e de ho ko demu bi because me personally I felt this was a waste of time with all due respect met mark just ko fo mu jirem dodo na Abu mutim se ombora circle omura circle ne wa be join ni bia Ghana football wa be join ni bia these are Ghanaians are yes I agree omu ne ko stadium omu treska e bi hebo bi all this is but they have no say nipa na wo ne na twino wo sitamale o mokoto o maba na court current mi ansan o mo na wo court injunction current mi ante o mo na wo na we do mo cheche ni koloma hwe akataba we mo hamos amon jiji kokos kalam ko pebe bi na na mo na
now we Ghana ni na football
there are problems in this country to think about than we mo ma wasesa nipa ma ko gina won ma wi akataba we a we kuta aso ni fa so bi bie no obesi. Tell me one impact of the Omuye.
Omuye Ghana for the Omo come out.
Abu. Tell me one impact of the Omuye. Ebi abeka say on a global scale, obi ko internet so no ko ba, ebe ye PSA demonstration but omu wait to say. Normally the enti na ukọ anamafo a demonstration the media houses love to know in conform we behind it any omu influence and omu role. Omu play what dia the thing of BBC occupy Julobo house omuko ye Julobi house omuko ye Abu okona okoye interviewer omu di animu no vomo wo mo ne zampeli for omu di animu no they have a stake in the country no when it comes to omu kabibia at least the value don't push them what did they mention as no na say omuko e BOG dey once MPs wo so they will talk to them now way Isaac Campo ebe busa say nyom ne football we ka je say nyom de ne football de nam adan we watch Champions League ebo Abu you watch Champions League we am
pone zaftena pane a onjo mundia na
obo how ewia kataba ewia bo Ghana how no so too much ana kroma say the sebi e show no kroma sebi ye dwen wan ye munya de mo chechere kana Ghana ye bread do munya de mo chechere na
zaftena pane a mo kan mo ko for
abu me ha ho but one player I'm really proud of Abdul Hamid Fatau from Mediema and me feel so proud say at least yenya Ghanaian Premier League player he looks promising say your left back position no obetimi abobi adu stage bi and yes Baba Rahman e proud and Baba Rahman yes a POK omo he's playing but then Abdul Hamid yuzu the Liberia game no to prove a point for himself. He goes forward, establishes his place in this team, and then ebe na ho e dey ama Ghana Premier and ade bi ebe senior say onya sha say friend abuso sha say obetu kwan sisi because we can't sustain him with the level of anonymous period economy. But our blast time.
We know the medium echo
or the medium echo, the medium echo US.
Lord Harbor.
No, Asaba
on the Black Stars. Wow.
Abudi asem na na make catch her.
Be baby there all.
Yeah, bouncy be. I'm almost submitted second list of players.
There asem na na make catch her.
US embassy na enye. Yeah, corner. Yeah. As a fitu ala wako sa kwa yo. Yeah.
Abu another asem
na bishop mo mo amekakra wo eno no mo organize we no omo ntime mbo mo we there
no they are loving
they are loving me kai pa omo ntime nya ho hwe
no sir they provided the lead but mo ma visa
asana na ma visa
you can even be invited for a special function you can be denied visa.
Wow.
David.
Tuelo, baby, David. I do it.
I'm not saying we can't say Abu Dhabi.
I say,
do it, Gabi, say over there.
It's about to see how much even
the World Cup, so we try now say there is a change of even government in United States. And the crowd must be
accredited FIFA journalist. Omobekodo, Ghana, M10.
Wow.
This is the reality. No this and no peace. Said the FIFA mano to me say uncle cover tournament no from Ghana no M10 and that list would definitely be passed through the GFA.
Yeah,
good. So yeah, FIFA accredited journalist no. If you get that accreditation, a page with chances of getting a visa. Then omo be apply on their own using their media houses, and it's a nipa 9,000 a apply. 1 year careful 90 penny.
Wow.
Is it just almost fun Nicaragua? Udru Nicaragua. No for Mexico border so.
Trump. Yeah.
And that's what I'm saying is that those things, you know, Abu, me say abano to necessary a key. If Donald Trump becomes the president of United States, I'm telling you, Abu,
immigration
walk
laws.
Up, no, just say tokwasi. Just say tokwasi.
Onyonya.
This is gidi.
Yeah,
and when I am mete, and I'm catch you say American embassy holo. Why when the year? 3 year
and you call no.
Overcall. No aba.
We say mama name re. So sir.
I only had them say but we call le Cali sisi abesere. Tialo o yes so far wa Costa Rica. Na ya pebole. Blah, before Bishop really echo.
You see, demonstrators, you know, one protest anyway. You see, you were the event, so. But you look also at the substance and the characters. Event, you know, said they may be cover. Okay, last week now here. This, whether you like it or not, Ebenya Susan so be AWF and you may do this. Yep. Ope. Ebia, they might not see it as maybe some of us see it, but so to have a video like this and Joy News will make it twice during the live stream. No, a playback. Joy News platform no, sabi any platform biya kake. Oko YouTuber, there are videos of this demonstration. Oko social media platforms, ubenya videos of this demonstration. Into ofane trasa, you might make a mistake. The FA no idea back on and it was part of the Kurt manifesto trying to change public perception about football in Ghana. So amount for 3 mu po mo my football no bebrena na negative stuff omuji dis football for no omo ya krom for sabi football for no mu wieska football for no mon kanokre. So to have something like this, an event like this take place, and even for the protesters to move all the way to the sports ministry to present a petition, don't take it lightly. But this is where I also become a bit disappointed in the organizers because of the characters involved. Mehu ash gold placard, mehu note and I say boards almost show about second year Sakes. These are 2 clubs of other clubs or massacre during this administration. So if Mayor protest na ash good eka the inter protest no one. I should see Ash Good in penny for characters be and our supporters be
or more.
Almost so count. I just saw one person or Ash Good GC. So then what does it portray?
When you also now bought the Brazil GC
on supporting name or I'm not so more board drums.
Or the microphone come out of castle on the day of April to
walk up money and tell me. I hope you get it. So back to the issue. Ash Gold for no ewomoa, it gives it there some kind of credence. Now why? We no painted a picture of crying more than they bereaved. Ash Gold no, on no way demonstration was serving notice that into a yawe one baby. Into no assembly fan who cry not any baby. And a baby suamano. Hazakes, the same thing. And by homogenate in a way, bet me a say. Almost all of them have bare 10% knowledge about Ghana football in Pempenswa Kwakodru. So the characters involved, and you're real football people who can tell the football story. So clearly, the action, the event, okay. But the characters involved, might not make their case wholesome enough. Inti, to mean to necessarily abasan can it say the essay. But they're good for the democratic purposes. A good seeing BBC people who are dissenting, they are or more they free the norm, the status quo. They also feel certain things should be done this way, that way. Okay. And then to have God meaning say ex-gospel musicians and also
that's so I mean say Zafnat Pane and the nyomba ya check akra.
Nicholas Omani champion maintain.
Only the nyomba ya check akra. Bobo boyo. Omo that's so bo. Zampon dey na no dey on ayi. Daddy we issue the way.
No gospel.
Hey, come on.
Gospel.
Say on bishop can him no be na yi ne kese ya. E jom dey quiet off.
So clearly they look more like supporters and not way. So I think characters, the substance, and weight a woman, a suitable for my bear.
You know what? When your first time or demonstration, you. But I like want to me only me din komobisa.
One man.
I Zafnat Pania.
Yo,
I'm not sure Komo Yasia to move to me, Bishop Baname boy, on a show, no, only a din Komobiza. There was only the shares here, Kagana boy.
I may say, characters involved no way, and my weight in a bathroom, and looking more of a good day than how serious it should be taken. This anyone will be brushed aside. Because they are calling for the immediate halt of Congress or Chinebasun. And BBC na the kind of people involved, to me, influences such a drastic action. But we just gloss over it and they are watching baby. So that is basically it. Andre, if there is any alarm bell, was a ringing, no signal baby away. It could be a friendly game, but it is also sending out a signal. You start the season, say August.
Yeah.
You're October. So you try 3 months. 3 months without a club, enough to make you more rusty.
Yes.
A national team we are planning. We are planning for a tournament upcoming in January next year. So in the next 4 months, you're about tournament. So the sooner he finds a club and get himself active, the better his chances will be. Either say the next squad no play experience role to say the cricket in Bible Church in that interview with Achuna. Say here at times you don't just need them to come and play, but you need them to also be there and then offer certain help in different forms. In the end they are okay. But so I think if he doesn't get a club in many years, a bet and then the chances. And now Kumia was talking about Abdul Fattah Ahmed Obianen her time soon. No matter where you are. Exactly. The story of David in the Bible.
Yeah.
No one here funny as much young confirmed. No can you ne papa Jesse Kofa and Quadan money in our buy. Yes, sir, they be. Whom ne catch and said, and you win. So no matter where you are, say your timer, you pay. But there are also times where you need people to influence decisions in your favor. And particularly in the sport of football, no. Somebody's recommendation, somebody's push, or be a UAP or highlight. I am not crucial, and I think he's had it. So, Mediama as it stands now, basically with what they are doing in Africa, almost also call US or Magic League, you know, or more than once a full season, or call half season pay. Say Fatah Suleiman and a boy, na a yoja or no babeshe. Then, anyway, you look at the political aspect or the political side of it. Mospaka, Ketokraku, now they are very close. So, Obone Homodin, he's playing in a team that is also performing. Then he has people to influence decisions for him. Islamika says all time swan na so didn't see a better drop. And you one said Jonathan Sowa, Abdul Fattah Hamidu. In the last 2 collabs, they have been there to play for Ghana.
Mate,
so good news.
Mama Bishop in Bishop. Yeah. Bobo nyanya babidu. You see Castle Amaya update out on
so I mean the election coverage is in full swing.
Yeah.
Ebeya cuz say be the last region there. China videos and pictures. This is your one-stop shop for everything GFA elections 2023. Na bibia timi akonkan na ye nyam panyumfa for the next 4 ensuing years. Ameba be die nimu no maboa amaye football no etimi akwanimu na ye kama na bibia timi akonkan. Then a little one on the demonstration and everything around it. Kwaku, it was what it is. I'm saying, who Dr. Osman Trenebois?
Yeah.
So OJ petition. No. I'm saying, no, we could do an minister niho, deputy niho, chief director niho, until say chief accountant no, on no PA but no about no budget message involved, you know, for everybody. So come on, a lot is happening in this country. Football no. We are in the interest. One man supporter on the interest. But there were club officials there. Former Ashanti Gold officials. No, I saw some.
Nabi more.
Park we see Hazakis.
Oh, okay.
You get it. So
that is that Michael Cano. A bit more.
Yeah.
Oh,
that's
wow.
Really injustice. No.
More. And then I'm a jit more obeko.
I mean, Bissan. Now, me, but me who park we see what pictures. No, Hazakis see you. And who make it Charles for?
Wow.
Yeah.
And then what do?
Oh, the idea that there are no football people, no? It's one that is their face using to water down the demonstrations. But we BBC are normally supporters of football and our clubs and then so it's quite interesting and funny at the same time. In football, no senior amount for remember Ashanti Gold. So I mean, I would always whatever we are now, remember Ashanti Gold, no? You know. Sa Congress now, you who say be a higher post right there. Look, maybe Ashanti Gold sympathizer. And Kaidana or Moyo Majuson be Ashanti Gold film. I'm about the flyers and the placards. And police listening to him Pamon Free Kenya still.
Yes.
Ashanti Gold there at Asantehene. Asantehene is the vice chancellor of the university in Tini.
Wow.
It's a card they could have played and played very well. I don't know why. They could have done quite a couple of things to know canning in Abuma. A lot happens. But you can say in football, it's all part of the political system. The democracy would happen tomorrow. Look, with democracy happening tomorrow, you're too afraid about China if you're there to RFA.
Now, is it nice and presidential?
You're buying acclamation.
Oh, okay.
An acclamation.
Acclamation no chimu kakra na.
Na say be talk to say wow packet yes o kreku no. I think he needs 70% or so. I'll check the statute. Ododo no e be gina to mamin cancer. I don't need a friend acclamation no. Now His Excellency the President of the Football Republic Asan Babeto Anjuma so na bibia etima konkai e dey amon.
Ode minimze ya awura bibia. Ebo modern didi come up na minimze we no so wani wo ho esku no I like this and call for na last say your omo age man no betimi maintain omo ina Eden on
e be making roads
division 1 no
e be making roads even at the premier level.
Okay.
5 no more campaign bo no mo gidi se ombekem what I say omunyina uhwe mu ake Odro Safu Kinslo Sebons Loziko Fredachi Tony Obin okay Eddie of course Eddie Randy Abbey is not coming to take one of these people out.
Oh, okay.
Fanudi can show to. So Randy Abbey eba no benya esco seat no sura. We two nkofu imu baako. Why no be two? We am patch what I say.
Matias.
Ye will no more hon. Randy Abbey ebe replace George Amwako.
Oh, okay.
Good. I said George Amwako the team no so Sunday obufu fraba. George Amwako the kotoko na ekọ e. And obifu fraba. Kwesi apia. It's not lightweight. Kotoko bepe. Say omo a representative on their school. Now it cannot happen. Say beye no money representative e school no so. So me fan say o de George Amwako o de Kwesi Apia I replace George Amwako. Now when you do that, when around the Abbey ebe replace no, also be two omu baako. It's a big issue. Asenso e wo Legon cities. O jidi say was serve current regime no. Until also omo yan papa. Tony Obin da so wo ho. Would you bypass him? Ntike edini de ye ka se ebo a ade be chin. What I say? Ye ka se ebo a ade be chin because anyone ni bebre ha and it's quite worrisome. I mean, look, the way manner people are going about this. A train, Randy Abbey a free.
Yeah.
Gideon cat are down for. Eugene Noble cat boy or didn't hear you didn't have to still believe. So oba. And to be fun say Eugene Noble be replace Randy Abbey.
Yeah.
Until then we would have the vice president, Randy Abbey and Nimado. Oh, what I say, Randy Abbey call. Eugene Noble a cat boy into replacing into Eugene. Now Nimado.
Yeah.
And then
Macado
as the three. Saturn. There is direct competition for Nimado. And you know who this is coming from? It is coming from Alex Abebio. So, and yes, straightforward, Samira. It's tough. And yes, straightforward. Let's be honest with ourselves. It's not straightforward. Zone, Division 1, no? It's going to be problematic. How many percent? 5 to 6.
I'm 5. Anyway, my 3. Edion.
Whom are you going to push aside? Uja Gideon, Eugene Nobler. Zone 3, any representative. Because almost not around the Abbey Eja Hokono.
I was there.
Ono Eugene always still believe no. And I kept the finance hat-trick man Gideon of Akosombo Crystal Palace. What is going to be Alex Abebio's fate? Again, the GFA does not have enough control in the premier level.
Babi, what my dreams are saying be so. Who's there? Division 1, Zone 1, or mono pretty differently. Zone 2 same, Zone 3. But we are 2 bit maba say your zone nibua
omunyabikra.
And I know no say ebe how mo.
Assembling in ano.
O da china no me pesa sa da bi wa was here address that issue no. Oh, say evans here to na zone 3 for nko ana eko. Ebia zone 3 zone 2 nko ana eko a. One no omunya obi obewa be si omonam a. Anka na normal circumstance of free no. I was think enya ha 1. Minim say the make can was wanya ni ya. Enya ha 1, enya ha 1.
Claps no mo zone 1. Omonto aba
enyi omode zone 2 fo enyi omode zone 3 eno no ye simple say e be come nyina bom say omonko yewe no bisho oda mate ye me na so ye ko on di ye be say hia nyambo ochina na ya ba na de akibia ye timi e de ato aso kama pre timi e de amamon di imanso ne ne ma bi ne ade bia o ye no o hwe no nyiri yi o aba